friends, welcome back. My name's Mary and my channel is The Decorative Dreamer. Today I'm going to share a quick little tour of the dining room. I have it all decked out for a family celebration we are having this weekend to celebrate with my husband's side of the family. Anyway, I wanted to kind of just touch base with you guys real quick and let you know, I think I'm going to focus more on just doing shorter little video clips that share some of my decor, and when I have sewing and quilting projects, I'll share those as well. But I'm going to try focusing more on the shorter videos. I think that's really going to help me quite a bit more, as I'm still trying to process all of the software and video editing and all of that. And I enjoy it too. I enjoy having more time to do the things that I like to do and don't want to continue spending a whole lot of time behind the camera. I'd rather just let you enjoy some of the decor and what I'm sharing. So thank you so much for being here. With that being said, I hope you will stick around. I hope you enjoy this little dining room tour I've put together for you. And I hope you'll come back and see me again sometime. Bye-bye. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of the dining room. It's a very busy time of year, so I really do appreciate that some of you stopped in and took a peek. Love to hear from you if you did. I just hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.